In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Loop Workspace. Navigating through new software can sometimes feel like walking through a maze, especially when you're trying to collaborate effectively with your team. That's where Microsoft Loop comes into play, a powerful workspace designed to enhance collaboration and productivity. Let's dive into the simple steps on how you can access your Microsoft Loop Workspace with ease. First, let's head over to the Microsoft Loop website. Once you're there, you'll notice the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. A new page will prompt you to enter your email and password. Enter your credentials carefully and click Next. This step is crucial for security and ensuring that your workspace remains confidential and accessible only to you and your authorized team members. Next, after successfully logging in, you're now closer to diving into your collaborative workspace. Look for the option labeled Workspaces on the navigation menu. Usually it's quite visible and designed to be user-friendly, guiding you naturally towards finding your shared spaces without any hassle. Clicking on Workspaces will reveal a list of available workspaces that you're a part of. These workspaces are essentially collaborative areas where you and your team can work on projects, share ideas, and keep your files and resources organized. Simply click on the workspace you wish to access. Each workspace is organized to cater to specific projects or teams, making it easier for you to navigate and find exactly what you need without the clutter of unrelated files or discussions. And just like that, you're in. You've now successfully accessed your Microsoft Loop workspace. From here, the possibilities are endless. You'll discover a variety of tools and features at your fingertips designed to enhance productivity and collaboration. Take your time to explore and familiarize yourself with the layout and functionalities. Remember, the goal is to make your work process smoother and more integrated with your team. In conclusion, accessing your Microsoft Loop workspace is a straightforward process that opens up a world of collaborative possibilities. Whether you're working on a project, organizing resources, or sharing ideas, Microsoft Loop provides the platform to do it efficiently and effectively. So dive in, explore, and make the most out of your Microsoft Loop experience. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with questions or for more tips on maximizing your use of Microsoft Loop. Happy collaborating!